In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert AutoCAD DWG to a PDF file. This is a quick way to share drawings with clients, teammates, or a printer without requiring AutoCAD on their end, and it preserves line weights and layout when set up correctly. First, with your drawing open, type plot in the command line and press Enter, or simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This opens the plot window, which is the control center for everything related to exporting your drawing to a PDF. Look for the What to Plot drop-down. Change it to Window. This option lets you manually define the exact area you want to include in the PDF. After you choose Window, click and drag a selection box around the portion of the drawing you want to convert. Take your time here and snap carefully to known corners or limits so the PDF includes everything you need and nothing extra. If you're working inside a viewport on a layout, make sure the viewport is showing the correct view before you window it. Next, go to the plotter or printer dropdown and choose DWG to PDF. This is AutoCAD's built-in PDF driver, and it produces clean, vector-based PDFs suitable for printing and sharing. Now, set the key output settings. Choose the plot scale that makes sense for your drawing. If you're plotting from a layout that's already scaled, 1.1 is typically correct. From model space, pick a standard scale that matches your title block or intended print size. Adjust the offset so the drawing sits correctly on the page. Many users enable center the plot to keep things balanced. Then, pick the paper size that fits your needs and set the orientation to portrait or landscape so your content fills the page logically. On the right side of the window, review the plot options, plot style table, and shade and quality settings. For line weight control, a plot style like monochrome or an office standard CTB often gives predictable results, turning colors into consistent black line weights. If your drawing includes shaded or rendered views, use the shade plot and quality options to choose vector or raster output and control resolution. Higher quality looks better, but can increase file size, so choose what suits your purpose. When everything looks right, click Preview. This lets you confirm the exact result before committing. Check borders, scale, line weights, and text clarity. If something's off, exit the preview, adjust the settings, and preview again. Finally, click OK to start the export, and there you go. Your DWG is now a polished PDF, ready to share or print.